Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today we're going to face a game very, very strange. We're going to see Aaron over here, fierce and aggressive.
I'm after.
And over here we find Nicholas. There's nothing to say about him, really. Now, everybody is getting tense. Let the game begin. Aaron is Nicholas is attacking. No, it's Aaron. I have no idea. What is going on. She's in the defensive and he's attacking. I know it. I'm so good. You guys look. I'm the winner. Excuse me. Nicholas just scored. It's 1-0 for Nicholas. There it goes. He's attacking again, and Aaron goes defensive. She seems in a defensive mood, but normally I see her aggressive. What the hell was that? Throwing the thing? I expect making points with it.
Okay,
And the puck just flew off. It's still 1-0. And where the heck did that one go? It just flew right off the ice rink.
and it also hit the video of the. I'm playing against
No.
winner.
I could have died, ladies and gentlemen. Nicholas is back in attack. He just makes a point of himself. I could have stopped that one. He sucks. Nicholas is attacking. No, Aaron is becoming aggressive. It's 2-1. What was that? You could have stopped that. I could have stopped it with my tongue. Nicholas is back to attacking. Aaron is sort of a defensive, attacking the thingy-wingy. 3-1 for Nicholas. And I just got it in the face. It's 4-1, ladies and gentlemen, for Nicholas. Not for Aaron. She has won because she sucks. Nicholas is back to attacking. Aaron is going crazy over there with anger. She's angry now. It is 4-1, and it goes to 8. So who's going to win this one? I don't know. I'm clearly going for Aaron over here with 1 point, but I think she's going to get up to 2. She just got up to 2. She scored, ladies and gentlemen. Scored. Now it's Nicholas going again. He's attacking. Aaron's defending. Now it's kind of going in circles. This is boring, ladies and gentlemen. How can you guys watch something this boorish? Wilson, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's time for commercial. I am here giving up the man Wilson. Why, these two bums are not even making points on each other. So, while I'm at it,
Okay, record.
what's the point? Now it's going back to halftime has ended and it's going on for again. It's 2 for it's until 8.
8 points.
Okay, Aaron is going to defensive. She's angry. Look at her tusk. Nicholas is there to attack. He's attacking. He almost died, ladies and gentlemen. Scores again. Nicholas has 6. 3, ladies and gentlemen. 3 points out of the field. You're losing. You're losing something to something. I think he has 7 or something like that. 6. I don't know. It just flew out of the ice rink again. Again, ladies and gentlemen. I mean, what is this? This is not flying. Who's gonna win? Ladies and gentlemen, I can see more here. It is 7-3 for Aaron. It is going in circles, ladies and gentlemen. How was that? You guys can stop it. It is 9-3. He's won about 2 points ago. We'll go up to 10. It doesn't matter. I'm having fun. I'll leave 10. It's only at 10.
You're going to 20.
Are you insane? I have no time. I have to get back to my ball. I saw that one coming pretty close. He's attacking. She's attacking. He's attacking. We're all attacking. I'm attacking for Pete's sake. Wow! 4-9, ladies and gentlemen. Where is this going? Look at her face. I am very betting on this one, laddie. Look at her hair. You cannot defeat the hair. He's attacking and he just got a point. What was that? You're not supposed to get a point. She's supposed to win.
It's 20.
I got 10 to 5, ladies and gentlemen. This is getting a little crazy. They're going in circles again, and I almost got that in the face.
It's 220.
It goes right off the ice again, ladies and gentlemen. Again, what is this? Give me this. I'll put it correctly on. So I was about to regurgitate. There we go. We're going back. Aaron is going to try to attack. She's attacking. She's attacking. She's going with force. Now he's attacking. You could have done better than that to get a point. Attacking. Circles. No one's attacking. They both suck. Whoa. Now that was weird. It is 11 to 5, ladies and gentlemen. It is 12 to 5. She just laid one on herself. What is that? How are people betting on her?
And I have never said something like that.
Do you have any comments?
She sucks. I'm joking.
Hey, don't say anything to them, my friend.
I'm the second person that knows.
I'm joking.
I got that one right on the head, ladies and gentlemen. As you can see, I'm missing some. I just got signed by Ricky Bobby. Whoever that is. It went off and right beside me again. I am not in a very safe place, ladies and gentlemen. This game is going on forever.
13.
13 to 5. My voice is going kind of lame right now. So I'll just clutch down. 14. He's attacking. Now she's defending.
You just missed a point.
What?
14.
Oh, sorry. It's 14 now.
No, it's 15.
15. Now I think Karen is letting us win now. She's totally
I
letting
just
them.
broke the table.
I don't give a shit.
What was that from?
Your thing.
Well, I seem to have a problem here. It is 17 to 5, ladies and gentlemen. I wonder who's going to win now. I am still betting on her because she has tusks and hair. Which
Hey,
she
I got
lacks.
6 points. I mean, I have 6 points.
Oh, she has 6. I'm sorry. Yes, 7 to 18. Who's going to win? He's attacking. He just lost his thingy-wingy.
My wallet.
Oh, that was a close one there. Nick is missing 2 points to actually win this game. So, he's attacking and it's flying off the ice rink, ladies and gentlemen.
Never stop.
This game is getting pretty lame. Ah! She just got another point. See what I'm telling you? She's going to win. She is ready, she's aggressive, and she's going to win. He's attacking now. She's defending, making sure he's not going to make any more pounds to him. He only have 2 left anyway.
And at the end of this game, someone's going to be killed.
Whoa, that was close, laddies. 19 to whatever she has.
7.
10, 8,
8.
9.
What is this, an orchard? What?
10, 9. Yeah.
9 to 19. She's only missing 10 points to catch up. That's not much. You can do it, laddie. You have big cheeks. I believe in you. Oh, this is aggressive here. We both really want to win. He has 1 point and she has 11. Now, what are the odds here? What was that? It was almost like music. It flies off again! This is insane! He just It just killed the spectators, ladies and gentlemen. Now it's getting really exciting. Here, he's really wanting to win, and she's really trying to go out with a little bit more glory than 10 points ahead of her. I understand what she wants. I mean, I hate losing. In fact, move out. I want to. Oh, this is going in nowhere, ladies and gentlemen. He loses his
Manette.
manette. Again. And look at this. While I'm at it, you see this blue cheese? It's there to advertise blue cheese. Oh yes, ladies and gentlemen, blue cheese is revolutionized the world. Blue cheese. Blue moldy cheese. Blue moldy cheese.